Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore deleted reels from Instagram. So if you have deleted any reels in Instagram, so sometimes you need to restore these reels. So in this video I'm going to show you how to restore deleted reels. So open Instagram, then sign in, then click profile picture icon on the bottom right corner here. Click three line on the top of the right corner. You will see your activity here. Just tap on it, scroll down, and you will see recently deleted option. Just tap on it, and you will see all deleted reels here. If you want to restore any deleted reels, tap any reels from here, and you will see three dot here under the like button. Just click on it, and you will see restore option under the delete option. Just click restore, tap again on restore, and that's it. Your reels has been restored successfully. So in this way you can easily restore any deleted reels in Instagram. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.